So when I look in retrospect to how I did it before with another core, the power that I'm having now with Thought Machine at the financial product perspective is probably 100 times or even more than what I had before. I'm the CTO of Afin Bank. We are newly created. Our aim is to help new people coming into the UK who want to have their own house in the UK and start building their own wealth as well in the UK and have their own savings in here. So that's our whole purpose, and I can relate to that because I'm a diaspora myself, originally from Colombia. And I believe the country being so diverse requires those solutions for new customers and new people coming in. When you come to a new country, you do not have a credit history. Basically, in simple terms, the UK doesn't know who you are. We all want to live in our own homes, but it's very difficult to have a mortgage. So there are ways to tackle that, and that's what we are doing, relying not only on UK documents, for example, but also looking at their history in their own countries. We are also implementing ways of banking, how these people are used to bank with those banks. Whilst we are digital, we can be closer to the customer in different ways. When we started the bank, I wanted to have a broad view of what is out there and how we can build on top of that. I've implemented different banks in the past and different cores. And I wanted flexibility and I wanted ownership by my team and the bank itself. That was the main reason why we selected as team Thought Machine. As a second item, it was the speed of data. Thought Machine, my selection has that advantage. It gives me data in real time. A partner as well. Thought Machine is very technical. And when you're doing a new bank, you need the right people, but also the right knowledge next to you. And I found that in Thought Machine when I compare to the others. I don't necessarily need a lot of product knowledge because we have product in the bank. We are developing our products. But the technical knowledge to build an implementation of such a scale, even if it's a new bank, you need the right advisors. In here, you have the best of both worlds. I can run on a sprint alone with my technical partner, but if I also need the support, Thought Machine is there a really good speed. When I look in retrospect to how I did it before with another core, the power that I'm having now with Thought Machine at the financial product perspective is probably 100 times or even more than what I had before. Our starting point of our products are savings products. So that means fixed term deposits in a 12-month and 24th month. And that's a single smart contract. So we can see the power of just having one product to tackle any parameter, 12 months, 24, 6, 9, whatever you want, with just one single one. In the lending area, we launch residential mortgages, and we have different ones, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year fixed term. Again, a residential mortgage in the UK is very complex because of the data points, the calculations that we need to provide to the customer. All of that was powered by our implementation of Thought Machine. We also did professional buy-to-let in our mortgages, in the smart contracts. The power of Thought Machine is, again, what I mentioned. You just have one single blueprint with different parameters that you vary instead of having, plenty, 12, 20 configurations for the same thing. I can say we are very happy. As I said, it was the shortest implementation of our products. Our delays were not in Thought Machine. And it really integrates very neatly with our architecture, which was built in different components to prepare for the future, of course. For me, not having any constraints or not having to build so much logic outside a core is what it gives power to the bank, because you do not have any spaghetti on proper product logic that you require on the core. It should always be in the core. And that is for me the conclusion of the whole implementation of Afin.